Okay, so this is how I broke even essentially trading Nasdaq today. I did make a little bit, $53. I took four trades today. I think it was actually three, but enter and exit usually counts as two. So um, took them and just kept getting stopped out, broken and breaking even. It was a weird trading day for me. I mean, my setup didn't really come apparent for a while, and I was waiting. I mean, look, there's a huge move today on the 1 minute, but obviously, I mean, if you go to my strategy and you mark out these highs, right, there is a break, right, and there's a strong one on the 15 minute. But again, I go to the five after the 15 minute, and there just wasn't a move for me yet. So I was in, saw this strong move out, immediately bought back, right? Then you see this strong move out. You probably could have entered here if you were just doing regular trading of the opening range breakout. But personally, I wait for a retest because a lot of times, right, this took forever to get to this move here, right? Like right here took, how long is that? From open all the way up to, that's almost an hour and a half right there of watching that on the 5 minute, and it just didn't look like price was going to do much today. Although it did at the end, it didn't look like it when I was opening up the charts and looking. So I didn't want to rush into anything. I took a couple and just kept getting stopped out. I was a little sketched about the price action today, so I just waited. My initial target for today was to come up and take out these highs, and the fact that we didn't even get, a decent push up there made me think, maybe I'm just better off not, taking any risks in trading today at all. So I kind of stepped back, didn't take those risks, and there wasn't that big of a move, but there was definitely opportunity to get in around here. I usually flip to the 1 minute too, and just seeing like, you know, there's probably an entry here, right when it came back down into this area, right by where VWAP is, but um, I just didn't, see that as an entry when I was looking this morning. But this probably could have been one targeting a 2 to 1 if you would have entered here. But again, you don't know that, right? You could put it below VWAP, so it's possible for there. But I didn't like the setups personally today. There's definitely opportunities to take trades, but I'd rather not force something than rush into something that I don't think is perfect for me, especially on this eval I've been taking completely seriously, right? I have a 78% win rate, and there's two trades I lost, or $2 because of fees. So I'm still technically perfect on this trading eval. Tomorrow is FOMC. I'm probably not going to trade that. I might just get on the charts to kind of see how price moves in the morning. But overall, a day where you are break even is better than a day that you lose. So I'm not mad at how this trading day went. Again, hoping that I pass this eval by next week. I'm hoping for a good day if I trade tomorrow and then finish it off a little bit in these next coming days. But yeah, overall, decent day. I went back to regular sizing and it was all right. So I did want to show you this here, but I went on to gold today as well, just because I'll trade gold periodically, and I caught what would have been a perfect move, and I was on MNQ instead of on gold. So I did not have Trading View open on my other screen, sadly, but literally perfect entry in here for gold on the 1 minute. So I was looking at it and I wanted to take it, but I was like, oh, I don't know if I should take it. I ended up not taking it, but I should have. So right, price came up, broke these highs, came down, immediately touched the opening. So came up, smashed the opening highs, came down, touched the lows. You could have easily taken a trade right here, going long. As soon as that candle fills it up, you're under the wick. You can get a 4 to 1 on this really if you wanted to. I would have just targeted though at the high, bang, easy trade there. But what I saw was with the fib levels, price. Sorry, hold on. Price come up, touched these highs again, came down, touched these highs again, which is telling me it wants to go high. It just has to break through the zone. Came down into my fib level down here, basically almost a perfect touch. And then you could have entered long here at this high with this low right here being your stop, targeting these highs, which is what I had before from previous day highs or previous week highs. It's not from yesterday, but and that would have been a winning trade there. I should have stayed on micro because I knew that this action was coming eventually, but I was just on the wrong chart, which would happen. What would have been worse is that if I would have chased it, right? So can't be mad at that. Overall, a decent trading day. I mean, break even again, better than losing on the day. So I'm happy with how today went. Again, I'll be checking gold periodically tomorrow when I'm on. I'm definitely gonna have gold up on my other screen. I should have did that today. That was just a mistake that I had. But overall, decent day. Hoping for a better day tomorrow, and even better day the next upcoming weeks. So yeah, I'll see you guys for the next trading recap, either on Wednesday or Thursday or Friday. So I'll see you guys then. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. That would be amazing. Thank you.